Have you ever felt like your shadow controls your life? Well, you're not alone. Our shadows can have a powerful influence on us. Here are 15 rules to help you understand how your shadow controls your life. Rule number 1, acknowledge your shadow's existence. Rule number 2, understand the emotions your shadow triggers. Rule number 3, identify the patterns your shadow creates. Rule number 4, confront your shadow's fears and limitations. Rule number 5, embrace the positive aspects of your shadow. Rule number 6, seek support to navigate your shadow's influence. Rule number 7, challenge the control your shadow has over you. Rule number 8, embody your true self, independent of your shadow. Remember, have you ever felt like your life advantages are controlled by an unseen force? Your shadow, a representation of your hidden potential and opportunities. But sometimes, we let our fears and doubts cast a dark cloud over our shadow's power. It's time to take control and harness the strength within. Every step you take, every move you make, your shadow is there to guide you. Embrace the opportunities that come your way, and watch your shadow expand with success. Don't let the shadows of others overshadow your own brilliance. Your shadow is a reflection of your unique strengths and talents. Have you ever felt like your life is controlled by an unseen force? Our shadows are more than just a reflection of ourselves. They hold power over our advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes our shadows guide us toward success. But other times, they hold us back from reaching our full potential. Our shadows can influence our relationships and interactions. They can also create barriers and divisions between us. But what if we could learn to control our shadows?